Hello everyone. Today I'm trying to explain an article by Ronald Coase. This article with the title The Nature of the Firm. Before explaining the article, I'm explaining who is Ronald Coase and biography from him. So, Ronald Coase, born in 1910 in the London, England. The Nature of Firm was published when on faculty at London School of Economics. He is a father of transaction cost economics and currently Professor Emeritus of Economics at University of Chicago Law School. He got the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economics in 1991. Till now, he is still alive and conduction research. What is the problem which makes Ronald Coase create the theory of nature of the firm? The problem is first, economic theory fails to clearly state its assumption. Second, economic analysis tends to begin with the individual firm. Third, economists and people in the real world have a different definition of a firm. So, all of them is a reason why Coase created this theory. What the purpose of this theory or this article? First, definition and clarification of the firm. The second, to provide a definition that is realistic and tractable. Third, to clarify when resources are allocated by the price mechanism and when they are allocated by the entrepreneur. This is a clear purpose of the theory or article. Why does the firm exist? They are market costs associated with using the price mechanism to organize production, for example, price discovery costs, contract and negotiation costs, regulation costs, uncertainty costs. And then a firm can coordinate resource and minimize transaction costs. So this is the reason why does firm exist. What definition of firm based off the Coase theory? Firm is the size system of the relationships which comes into exercise when the direction of resource is dependent on an entrepreneur. And you can see definition in this article. What determines firm size? Amongst transactions, mistake, for example, failure to utilize factor of prediction properly, and waste of resource. And then supply price of factor of production. Cost curve of the firm. You can see in here. Yeah, as firm get longer, there might be decreasing returns to the entrepreneur or loss in efficiency. The firm will engage in the number of transactions where the costs of doing so in the firm are equal to the transaction costs in the market or to the cost of organizing by another entrepreneur. Also determines number of product by the firm. What what is application of the firm to the real world? Look at legal relationship of master and servant. Servant must be under the duty of rendering personal service to master. Master must have the right to control the servant works. Tractability or manageability of the firm. The principle of marginal returns works smoothly with determined firm size. At the margins, the cost of organizing within the firm will be equal either to the cost of organizing in another firm or to the cost involved leaving the transaction to be organized by the price mechanism. So, the conclusion of Ronaldo's theory or this article about the firm, about the nature of the firm, is the view of transaction costs can help explain about first the reason of the existence of a firm, second the limit of firm size, third the reason why transaction takes place in a firm, namely using the price mechanism to allocate resources, is sometimes costly. So that is my explanation of an article titled The Nature of the Firm. I hope you can all understand and it is clearly. See you, San.